Katherine Megan McArthur is an American oceanographer and a National Aeronautics and Space Administration astronaut. She has served as a capsule communicator for both the Space Shuttle and Space Station. Megan McArthur has flown one Space Shuttle mission, STS-125. She is known as the last person to be hands-on with the Hubble Space Telescope via the Canadarm. McArthur has served in a number of positions including working in the Shuttle Avionics Laboratory. She is married to fellow astronaut Robert L. Behnken. McArthur was born in Honolulu, Hawaii, but grew up in Northern California. She dreamed of being an astronaut when she was a teenager. She attended London Central High School and graduated from St. Francis High School in Mountain View, California, then later earned a BS degree in aerospace engineering from UCLA in 1993. In 2002, she was awarded a PhD in oceanography from Scripps Institution of Oceanography at UC San Diego. At the Scripps Institution of Oceanography, McArthur conducted graduate research in nearshore underwater acoustic propagation and digital signal processing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.